Hi everybody, I'm Christopher Brown with Teed and Brown, and welcome back to another weekly news and weather report. We have good news in the forecast, finally. Now, I should put a little caveat on there and say it's potential good news because we're looking at a lot of possible rain in the forecast. Now, unfortunately, that might just not come, but it's looking pretty good. We're looking at 50% or greater most days this upcoming week and a few days of maybe 40%. So I've got my fingers crossed. We think there's going to be some rain coming in over the next week. Your lawn could not need it more because irrigation has not been enough. See, irrigation systems typically supplement natural rainfall, and they give your lawn that little bit of extra water it needs to get there until the next rain hits. And recently, irrigation has not been enough. We are seeing lawns burning up all over the place, and in some cases, the only green spot on the lawn is right around the irrigation head, where it actually gets more water than the rest of the lawn. The soil, as a result, has been dry and cracked. It's really hard pan soil. Now, what happens when the soil gets this dry is it acts like a dry sponge. It starts repelling water. The water just won't absorb into the soil. So even if you are irrigating, it's just kind of sitting on the surface, then the sun comes out and dries it all up again. And so, my apologies, but whatever irrigation you've been doing, to a large extent, that's going back up into the air and the roots of the grass are not getting it. Mother Nature can be very cruel sometimes. So these heavy rainstorms that are promising potential on the horizon have the potential to really give the lawn a good soaking and get the water into the soil profile so it's nice and uniformly wet down through the root zone, and hopefully that'll start getting things greening up again. We have our fingers crossed. Here's hoping. Until then, your lawn may be turning brown, but remember, it's dormant and it's not necessarily dying. So it will come back again once things get better. If you have any questions, you know where to reach us, teedandbrown.com. Again, my name is Christopher Brown. Thank you for joining us.